Hi everyone, this is Kevin from Knowledge Scroll, and this is the first video in our Mastering Matrices course. In this video, we hope to give you a brief example of what a matrix is and how you can convert data into matrix form. A matrix is simply a way of organizing data in the form of rows and columns, enclosed within brackets. And here we have an example of what a matrix looks like. This is a generic matrix that contains the letters A, B, C, and D. But I want to give you guys a more practical example. So let us consider a scenario where a teacher asks a group of students to collect various fruits for their home ec class. And the teacher records this information within a table as shown in this slide. We have the 4 fruits: apple, pears, bananas, and oranges. And we have the 3 students, Janaya, Daisha, and Sean, who collected for the class. Janaya collects 6 apples, 2 pears, 1 banana, and 1 orange. Daisha collects 3 apples, 2 pears, 2 bananas, and 1 orange, while Sean only collects 3 apples, 1 pear, 1 banana, and no oranges. The useful part of this table is not necessarily the names of the collectors nor the names of the fruit, but the numerical information inside of it. So now we're going to extract that information and represent it in the form of a matrix. So we have the information 6211, 3221, 3110. These would be the values that we extracted from our table, and this is what the information would look like in matrix form.